welcome back to my channel. As you can see in today's video, I have the second part to my Bperfect collaboration lip kit videos eye tutorial. So this is the look that I came up with to complement my secret lipstick, which I have on me now and I'm obsessed with. I can't tell whether I love it without the gloss or with the gloss. I think the gloss just complements all of them, but I can't make my mind up. I love it too much. In this video I show you how to get this eye look. I will leave all products listed down below, including all my skin and eyebrows, just because I did them off camera again. I will also leave a link to where you can purchase the secret lip kit. I've seen so many people send me this and they love it, and it's so funny how different it looks on everybody else, like different skin tones and stuff. The colour changes, which I absolutely love. I think it suits everybody. So if you do happen to recreate this look, or if you pick up the secret lipstick and there's a certain eye look or makeup look that you like to do with it, please send it on to me. I would love to see. Other than that, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you all very, very soon. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is from the Plouise palette. All the shades that I'm going to use actually today are from the Plouise palette. I only used four shades. So I'm going to go in with the shade Latte. I have no nails on, which is this one here. And I'm going to take that, and instead of working lightest colour to darkest, I'm going to work darkest to lightest, just to make sure that I get the colour on the lid as intense as I want it. So I'm just taking that on a flat brush. I'm just going to start patting it all over the lid and up to the crease, like so. And then I'm going to go in and take the shade beside it, which is Burnt. And I'm taking Burnt on a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to start blending out the edges with that burnt shade. This doesn't have to be perfect because I am going to go in with another colour to help blend that one out as well. But if you feel like you're kind of missing a little bit in between the Latte and the Burnt, I like to go back in with a fluffy brush and a little bit of the lid colour, just to help kind of like mush the two of them together. So this is just Latte that I'm taking now, and I'm just blending it up into the Burnt shade. And then to help blend the Burnt out, I'm going in with Plouise, which is this mustardy shade up here. And with that on another fluffy brush, I'm just helping diffuse the edges. If you feel like you've lost a little bit of the previous colour, I always go back in and add. Like, I'd never be happy with just going in and blending the one colour. I feel like you always have to go in and add and deepen and whatnot. And then for the last colour on the lid, I'm going to go in with an angled brush, and I'm taking the shade Bestie, which is him down here. And I'm just using this to stamp across my lash line, just to help blend the band of the lashes. And because we have our foundation and powder done, if anything does fall down, it's not going to stick to my skin. I can just wipe it away. Moving on then to underneath the lash line, I'm just going to take the shade Latte again, and I'm just running that along my lash line, kind of like stamping it in and just connecting it on the outer corner. And then I'm going to take the shade Burnt and just blend that out. And then lastly, for my inner corner, I'm going in with the Doll Beauty highlighter in Shine Bright, which is this gold, and that is going on my inner corner, like that. I'm going to jump off camera now and quickly stick on my lash. I was going to say lashes. Lash. I'll have the brand and style of lash down below, and then I will be back and we will finish with our lips. Okay, so lashes and mascara done. Like I said, I'll have the whole product list, everything that's on my face will all be listed down below. But for now, we're going to go in with Secret. So this is Secret. It's the exact same as how the other, how the Boo kit comes, and the same as how the Cheeky kit comes as well. So the same as the other kits, you get your liner, you're going to get your lipstick, and you're also going to get your gloss. So I'm going to go in first with the liner just to line my lips. And then And then once I have my lips lined, I'm going to go in with the Secret lipstick. And I'm going to fill in the lips. So this is Secret without the gloss, if you prefer it without a gloss. But I'm going to go in and put a gloss on. So I'm going in with the same gloss that comes with all the kits. It's our gold highlighting gloss. Please focus. There you go. Okay, it's upside down, but you get me anyway. And I'm going to apply the gloss directly over this. I can't speak today, I don't know what's happening. Directly over. And this is Secret with the gloss. I can't tell either if I love it without the gloss or with. I'm on two minds sometimes, I don't know what to do. So this is my version of a completed look to So this is the completed look of my version of what would complement, an eye look that would complement my Secret lipstick. So I really hope you all enjoy it. If you have the Secret lipstick and there's a certain eye look that you love, please send it on to me. I'd love to see people's recreations. If you do, like I said, a full product list will be down below, also with a link where you can purchase the Secret lipstick as well as the other two. They are exclusively only sold online for now. They will be in stores soon, so keep an eye on my Instagram and stuff, and I will let you know a definite date. But other than that, I think that's everything. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I will have the next video up of an eye look with the cheeky lipstick, so keep an eye out for that as well. I'm sure I will see you all soon.